iPhone 9 confirmed design. Yes guys, in today's video I am going to be discussing with you regarding the confirmed design of the iPhone 9, and many of you have this question that will the iPhone 9 come with 5G technology, will it have a wireless charging, will it have a bigger display, will it have dual SIM support. So guys, in today's video I am going to be discussing regarding these minor things, and guys I am going to be making this video as short as possible. So guys, there is one request, and that is please consider subscribing to our channel, as it really motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, have you ever wondered that whenever a new smartphone comes into the market, the covers or all of the accessories are already available? Many of you guys get this question that how come a case manufacturer assemble or manufacture a cover for a smartphone in so less time? Well guys, the company responsible for the smartphone manufacturing first send the prototype smartphone to the case manufacturer. Let that be Apple, Samsung, Lenovo, Vivo, Oppo, Realme, Redmi, any other company. All of these companies send a prototype model or a 3D prototype model to the case manufacturer, and so he can start the production of the covers. So guys, these prototypes are called as the Cad prototypes, and all of this information is very confidential and is not shared with the public. But guys, these people involved in this chain somehow or the other leak this information, and hence we get this information. So guys, recently there is a company called as Totally, and they are a very genuine and a big case manufacturer, and they have the CAD renders, and they have already published the cover for the iPhone SE2. The naming scheme on their website is regarding the iPhone SE2, so it is not confirmed whether the naming will be called as the iPhone SE2 or the iPhone 9, but in this image they have completely shown us how the iPhone 9 is going to be looking like. So guys, earlier we were expecting that the iPhone 9 will come with a vertical camera array just like the iPhone XR, but that is not happening. In fact, the entire iPhone is going to be extremely identical to the iPhone 8. Nothing is changing from the iPhone 8 to the iPhone 9, but there is one change, and that is the Apple logo. The Apple logo is going to be coming in the exact center of the iPhone instead of the upper portion. That is going to be a big noticeable change, and the second factor will be the thickness. The iPhone 9 is going to be slightly thicker than the iPhone 8. So guys, now let me come to the small factors that you don't know about the iPhone 9. The first factor is the battery. The battery capacity of the iPhone 9 is going to be more than that of the iPhone 8. Again, the body design is going to be little thicker, so Apple is going to be launching it with a bigger battery. So guys, the battery capacity is expected to be from 2100 mAh to 2500 mAh. So guys, the second thing that you don't know about the iPhone 9, and that is the headphone jack. Well guys, the headphone jack is not going to be making its way in the iPhone 9. This iPhone is again going to be similar to the iPhone 8. So guys, the third thing that you don't know about the iPhone 9, and that is the SIM card slot. How many SIM cards will the iPhone 9 be capable of? Well guys, the answer is dual SIM, but both are not going to be physical SIM cards, from which the first is going to be the physical SIM card like any other SIM card that you put in the SIM tray, and the second SIM card will not be a physical SIM. That will be the eSIM. For the eSIM, you can inquire or you can contact your service provider and order your eSIM card. The process is very easy, and the service provider will guide you how to get the eSIM. Well, the fourth thing that you don't know about the iPhone 9, and that is about the wireless charging. Guys, it is pretty obvious that the iPhone 9 is coming with a glass back, and hence the iPhone will have the wireless charging. So guys, and many people have this confusion, and that is, will the body of the iPhone 9 be made of stainless steel or of aluminium? Well guys, the answer to this is aluminium. Stainless steel is way more expensive and is reserved for the premium end iPhones. And guys, this is everything which I wanted to discuss in today's video regarding the iPhone 9. This is how the confirmed design of the iPhone 9 is going to be looking like. it is going to be extremely similar to the iPhone 8, but it is going to be little bit thicker. The Apple logo is going to be coming in the exact center of the iPhone, and overall it is going to be an internal upgrade. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video, and there is one little request, and that is please consider subscribing to our channel. I want to make this community as big as possible, and it is only possible by your support. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,